Hello friends, you are on the channel Quotes of Great Men. Enjoy watching. Mirror neurons. We unconsciously mimic the actions and emotions of others. This is because of mirror neurons, a special group of brain cells that fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. Social proof. We are more likely to do something if we see others doing it. This is because we tend to believe that the actions of others are a good indication of what is right or wrong. The power of priming, subtly exposing someone to a concept or idea, can influence their behavior. For example, if you are shown words related to rudeness before a negotiation, you are more likely to be rude during the negotiation. The liking gap. We tend to overestimate how much other people like us. This is because we focus on the positive aspects of our interactions with others and forget about the negative ones. The mere exposure effect. The more we are exposed to something, the more we like it. This is why advertisers repeat their ads over and over again. Opposites attract. We are initially attracted to people who are different from us, but in the long term, we are more likely to be compatible with people who share our values and interests. Love is blind. While physical attraction is important in the early stages of a relationship, it is not the most important factor for long-term success. Shared values, interests, and communication skills are more important. The 7-year itch. There is no magic number for when relationships start to fizzle out, but there is some truth to the idea that couples can go through a rough patch around the 7-year mark. This is often due to major life changes, such as having children or starting a new career. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Spending time apart can actually make a relationship stronger. This is because it allows couples to miss each other and appreciate the time they do have together. Fighting can be good for your relationship. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship, but it can actually be a good thing if it is handled in a healthy way. Couples who can communicate effectively and resolve their conflicts in a constructive way are more likely to have a strong and lasting relationship. Love potion. Simply looking at a loved one's picture can lower stress and pain levels, aiding healing. Oxytocin power, a chemical released during bonding, like cuddling or hugging, strengthens relationships and trust. Opposites attract. We might be initially drawn to contrasting personalities, but long-term success hinges on shared values and communication. Mirror, mirror. We subconsciously mimic the behavior and emotions of those around us. Beauty is relative. What we find attractive is shaped by cultural norms and personal experiences. The liking gap. We often overestimate how much others like us, focusing on positive interactions and forgetting the not-so-positive ones. Priming power. Subtly exposing someone to a concept can influence their behavior. Think motivational posters before a workout. The placebo effect. Believing a treatment will work can actually lead to positive results, even if it's a sugar pill. Memories. Malleable memories aren't perfect recordings. They can be influenced by emotions and suggestions. The 7-year itch. While relationships can face challenges around the 7-year mark due to life changes, strong communication is key. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Spending time apart can actually strengthen relationships by allowing you to miss and appreciate each other. The power of we. Feeling part of a group can boost confidence and cooperation, but also lead to groupthink, following the crowd uncritically. Explore reputable psychology websites or books for more evidence-based information. Be critical of sensationalized psychology facts online. Not everything you read is true. Statistically, there is no evidence that having sex with a certain type of woman will cause a man's penis to become thicker or longer. Penis size is primarily determined by genetics and hormones during puberty. Penis size varies greatly among men, and what is considered average is a range, not a single number. There is no correlation between a woman's physical attributes and a man's penis size. Focusing on penis size can be detrimental to a healthy sex life. A fulfilling sex life is built on communication, intimacy, and mutual respect. It's more important to focus on techniques and creating a pleasurable experience for both partners. Thanks for watching. Check out these educational videos too.